In this part of the tutorial, we'll address a snapshot of the reporting screens after prospects actions. Let's go to the dashboard screen to see how the latest actions have reflected. Let's refresh the dashboard screen by clicking the title dashboard in the screen bar. The email statistical information has gone updated. The campaign summary for the month, the numbers have gone updated, the visits, the comments, and so on and so forth. And the campaigns for this month section, the numbers for market my new campaign have gone updated. Even the counts here, the consume, the leftover emails have gone updated. Now let's go to the mailing statistics screen to see how the emails have performed, the detailed information. Here you see the detailed information broken down by the time period and the sender email, and the details include number of emails sent, successfully delivered, and the bounced. This is an example where one email has bounced. Let's see the cause of this bounced email. Here OFC train bounce it for John Doe we deliberately failed it, and here the cause is the user is unknown. That means the email address does not exist. The bounced emails are automatically excluded from future campaigns so that you do not have to manually clean up the data. That's another unique feature what we have here. Let's close it and go to the summary screen to see the trend analysis of these campaigns. Select the one. This is a track campaign screen. In the summary screen, market my new campaign, which we just ran. The number of contacts are 5. That's the contacts. Number of visits are 4, and number of comments submitted. We have not marked anyone interested yet. Referrals received. Unsubscribe requests is 1. In case of Jeremy, successfully delivered emails are 3, bounced is 1, and so on and so forth. So that way you can see how the market my new campaign is performing compared to market my campaign. If they were the same, you could compare for the same purpose, you could compare directly the performance of these two campaigns against each other. It helps you in re-engineering and re-strategizing your future campaigns. In addition, the track campaign we have already covered. It's provided you the detailed actions of your detailed tracking of your customers' actions, their inquiries, and time of action. As a result, the business intelligence that we provide to you via the dashboard, mailing statistics, summary, and the track campaign screens provides you, each is a dimension in itself, provides you a multi-dimensional decision support capability to qualify your leads, rank them, and set your priorities in following up with them. For following up, in the next tutorial, we will cover the CRM features that we provide that help you in having faster and focused follow-up with your prospects, helping you saving time and obviously the money. It concludes this tutorial, and the rest of the CRM actions we will cover in the next tutorial. Thank you.